Hello and welcome to Baking on a Budget. Now, what we've got this time is homemade macaroni cheese. Very, very simple recipe, classic recipe as well. We have everything we need to make that over here, and I'm going to run through all of this, tell you what the quantities are and how much this has cost. First of all, we have 300 grams of macaroni, which is 44 pence. We got 45 grams of butter at 35 pence. We got 45 grams of flour at 2 pence. We got 500 ml of whole milk, which is 30 pence. We got 120 ml of double cream, which is 58 pence. We got 150 grams of cheese. I'm using a mature cheddar here, and that was £1.39. And we got a pinch of nutmeg at about 4 pence. So the total cost of this is £3.12, and we're going to get 4 really nice servings out of that, making each serving 78 pence. Now, macaroni cheese is a classic. It's very simple to make, so let's get to it. Okay, what we have at the hob is a pan of boiling water, and the macaroni is going straight in there. Now, I'm going to give that a stir, and we want to leave this for, I don't know what, 7-9 minutes, something like that, just until it's nice and soft. So I'll just stir that around a little bit, and we'll just leave that to get on with it. And in the other pan, the first thing that we want is the butter, and we just want that to melt down. Okay, and with the butter melted, next thing we want to do is add the flour to that. And we want to stir this in, get all the lumps out, and this wants to cook down really. We need the flour to be sort of well cooked through, otherwise it can be a bit gritty, and we'll let that cook for about a minute or two. Okay, so that's had a couple of minutes in there, and what I'm going to do is add some of the milk, just a little bit, and we want to get that mixed in to the butter and flour, and a little bit more. The reason I'm just doing this bit by bit is that it can sort of separate and make it very difficult to bring together, and I'm just going to continue with that, adding a little bit at a time until we get a nice smooth sauce for the macaroni. Okay, so in goes the double cream. This is going to be absolutely gorgeous. Real thick, creamy sauce for this, you know. Now, I'm just going to leave that on a really low heat and prepare the cheese. Right, now I'm just going to grate this cheese, and I'm going to put most of it into the sauce, but I'm going to keep a sprinkling for the top as well, for when it bakes in the oven. Then you'll get a lovely golden brown crispy top on it. Okay, so the macaroni is looking good, nearly there, not quite, a little bit more. And what I'm going to do with this now is I'm just going to put a pinch of nutmeg in. Not a lot, goes a long way, a little bit of nutmeg, and that'll just add to the flavour of all of this. Beautiful. Now, we got the cheese, and as I say, we want to get the majority of the cheese in there, but we do want to leave some. I'll leave about that much just to sprinkle on the top. We want to stir this all in and get that cheese melted down. Right, our cheese mix or sauce is ready at this point. It's just gotten a little bit heavier on the spoon, and that's what we want. We don't want it too thick, and we don't want it too runny either. But just as soon as it gets a little bit of weight on the spoon, so to speak, that will do it. So we'll remove that from the heat, and we'll take another look at the macaroni, see how that's doing. That's looking good. Almost there. Okay, I would say the macaroni is done at this point. So what I'm going to do is take it over to the sink and strain it. Okay, macaroni is strained and in the pan. And what we're going to do is get that sauce over it. That's looking good. Now I have a spatula here just to clean this bowl. Sorry, to clean this pan and get the last little drops out. We just want to mix all this up and make sure that everything is covered in here. That is looking fabulous. Smells delightful as well already. Now I'm going to do the macaroni cheese in this enamelled sort of pie dish sort of thing. So we'll get all of that in there. And as I say, we have a sprinkling of cheese for the top. Right, I may just do a touch more cheese on there. There we go, that's a little bit better. Just a little bit more cheese, I don't know how much that would be. Maybe another 10 grams or something like that. Right, so this is going into the oven at about 190 degrees and it's going to stay in there just for about 15-20 minutes until it starts to brown on the top and is bubbling away, and then that will be ready to go. Okay, and about 20 minutes later, fresh out of the oven, that smells and looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to let it cool down a little bit because it will be very, very hot inside, and then we will take a taste. Okay, fresh out of the oven, macaroni cheese. The only other thing I've done with that is given it a crack of black pepper on the top, and what we're going to do now is have a taste of it. That's excellent. Really creamy texture, and with that cheese on top, that is absolutely fantastic. A little bit of garlic bread would go really well with that as well. So I think I know what I'm having for my tea tonight. I'm going to have this. I'll do some garlic bread, and maybe potato rosti would go well with it as well. We'll see. As I say, this is 78 pence a portion for a good sized portion. A very simple, delicious and filling dish at a very reasonable cost. Homemade macaroni cheese. So can I say, if you've enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, making very simple classic dishes, always at a very low cost and always absolutely delicious, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. Many more videos to come. In the meantime, I'm going to finish off this macaroni cheese, and I thank you very much for watching.